Alright, so here's a video of the Chemical Guys butter wet wax. I've heard this stuff is pretty good. Wasn't cheap, so I hope it's good. So basically, for this you just need well, you want to make sure you shake it up. With all the stuff I saw him shake it up before I use it. You need 2 bags, one to apply it with, which will probably be this one, and one to take it off with. They need to be clean. You can't use a dirty one. So I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Anyway, I haven't got to do much with this car because you can see it's scratched up. I'm gonna polish it or whatever and soon. I just got it like not too long ago. Maybe cool. Got it. Is it Tuesday? This past Tuesday, so a few days ago. I haven't opened it. I'll get back to you when I apply it on here and then I'll put it on the car. Now I'm not a pro with this, but how I've seen people do it is they get some dots. See that in there? And then they like fold. This one guy, she folded it. And then just do some dabs across the car. And then you just rub it in. Now, honestly, I don't know if this stuff is amazing or what. I guess y'all will see after I'm done applying it. But if my video started doing well, I'll try and get some better stuff, like an actual one where I actually apply wax with. And start getting more stuff to clean my car with. Let y'all know if it's good or not, so you don't have to waste y'all's money on it. So I'm gonna do the hood, and I'll come back when it's washed off. Let me get it before. Alright, I'll be back. Back. Alright, so I just finished washing it off, and that looks pretty good. I mean, it definitely pops a lot more with it waxed. I think it's a pretty good product. And don't mind the garage, it's kind of, but I think that looks pretty good. Like in the summer, I'll probably like ceramic coat it, but I'm not doing that right now because it's only going to get colder outside. So, and I'm not ceramic coating a car when it's 20 degrees. But if you think it looks better, I would definitely try it out. It's I think it was like 15 bucks, I think. I don't know. You see on these, yeah. If there's another wax that you think does better, do let me know in the comments, and I will try it out, even if I have to order it. But